Just a quick update on Solana Labs secures $314 million in funding as Solana token rises 20%. Guys, Solana has done really well. So did Theta, and the upgrades are being announced. They do pretty well. So Solana has done really well. Theta Fuel has done really well. They're waiting for a June 30 mainnet launch as well. So have a look into that. I did cover that in a video previously as well, but I produced quite a fair bit of videos. So make sure you keep an eye on every video that I create so that you can stay on top of all the important news that relates with crypto and finance and investments. Solana prices increased by 20.9% in the last 24 hours. The price movement comes amidst funding of around $300 million. So Solana Labs' recent funding round, which saw $314 million raised. The funding round was led by Polychain Capital and Anderson Horowitz, which is like the most Jewish name you could ever hear, a private American venture capital firm with a long history of investing in crypto initiatives. So yeah, it's good money. Other companies participating in the funding round include CoinFund, Blockchain Ventures, Almeida Research, and Parafire Capital, which you've never heard of. But anyway, they're a big deal. So what Solana is going to be a very important aspect to its future outlook. So and how that impacts your investment decision. So onlookers have described the project as a potential Ethereum killer. What is an Ethereum killer these days? But this one is quite serious. Anticipating it will become a go-to home for decentralized application, dApps, and the fast-moving decentralized finance space. Today, Solana blockchain supports approximately 1,000 transactions per second, which is so much higher than Ethereum's approximate capacity of 15 transactions per second. And cost-wise, it's going to be cheaper as well. Like, there's so much congestion on the Ethereum network right now. Like, I was trying to transfer like $1,000 from the Ethereum network to the Polygon mainnet. I gave up. I tried so hard and it just wouldn't go through. Even with higher gas fees, it would just... So we are in need of scaling solutions for Ethereum network, and Solana could be a good alternative, or any other L2 solutions onto the Ethereum network itself, like what Polygon was. Now, one key difference between both blockchains is that the Solana blockchain run on a proof of stake consensus mechanism, thus importantly allows for much cheaper transactions with Solana than Ethereum, which I'm happy with. I mean, I have to pay quite a lot of money for it as well. So guys, that's Solana for you. It's just received good funding, and I think it's going to experience a good amount of upgrade to its system, and hopefully one that's better gelled and better oiled, therefore smoother than the Ethereum network. So thanks so much for tuning in today. That's the information on Solana. Hope you make some good decisions on your investments, that you have a profitable day, week, month, and a year. And actually, we're long-term traders, so in a decade. So like the Winklevoss twins, right? Because they're holding on to Bitcoin until it's $500,000. Don't even get me started. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Ring the notification bell. I upload a lot, so I'll speak to you very soon. Peace.